guys, I got it. I was trying to show you as I was doing it, and I thought I had it set for camera, video, and the daggone thing was set for camera, but it's in there. And basically all I did, I hooked this end in here, I clamped the whole thing in the vise, and I started just coiling it in from the outside in. That's all I did. Be careful when you're doing it though. Like any coil spring, you gotta be careful. Let's put a rope in this time. There we go. Just had to use the right tool, right? Right tool for the job. And evidently, the needle nose was not the right tool for the job. Got everything lined up again. There we go. I think I'm going to run this around one time, and that should be plenty of preload. Turn the handle back on. Of course, Mr. Rope don't want to do right. He don't want to come this way. He wants to go the other way. So we'll just have to go get Mr. Rope. Convince him he needs to come this way. Alrighty, now that we've gotten that mess taken care of, and it's not as hard as it looked. Alright, see how our dogs are working? That's how you know you got them in there right. Everything should work properly, just like that. I could pull this right to the very end. Everything seems to be working good. Everything seems to be holding up. And there's plenty of spring tension there. Pulls that right in. So he can pick this up tomorrow morning on his way to his first job. And he'll have this mower to work with all day. So guys, that's how I made a repair to a rope starter If you didn't have the proper rope starter on hand and you didn't want to wait a few days to get it, as long as you had a spring that was at least the same thickness and the same width and at least the same length, if it's not the proper length, cut it to length. Heat the ends up, curl them over to the proper direction to create your hooks, and then you're able to reinstall the spring assembly like you normally would, and now you're back up and running. So hopefully that was some good information for you. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. If so, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, send me some comments, let me know what you think. Be kind and help people when you can.